I'm Hank from freepodcasttools.com, here to show you how to truncate silence. So we want to remove those long pauses, those long dead air gaps in your podcast. So here we have a file that's 18 seconds long. On PC, you'll hit Control-A to select all. On Mac, Command-A. This is Audacity. This is a free piece of software that you can download to record and edit your podcast. So up here to Effect, let's run up there and we'll go to Truncate Silence. On here, we're going to be detecting silence that is under whatever value you put in here. Negative 20 dB is the default. This goes all the way down to negative 80 dB, which would be a super, super quiet noise floor. The duration, the default is a half second. Under Action, you can either truncate detected silence, which is to reduce it, or you can compress excess silence. But we're going to stay on truncate detected silence. And we're going to truncate it to a half second as the default. You can set these values to whatever you want. So you could set it to 1 second, have it be anything longer than 1 second. It would determine as silence, and then it would be reduced to 1 second. Or you can stick with their default, which is a half second, or you could do 0.75 or whatever you want to put in there. So let's take it down to 3/4 of a second. So as you see, the file is 18 seconds long. We will run it. And now we have reduced this file massively. Let's undo that effect. And we can change those parameters. Let's go under Truncate Silence again. Let's change it to a half second this time. And let's try running that. And as you see, it's all the way down to just over 6 seconds. But you want to still make your gaps in between your words sound natural. This is not YouTube. You're not doing jump cuts. So make sure you dial that in correctly. You'll be able to tell if it sounds natural to you or if it sounds too short. A lot of people use between a half second and 1 second. Keeps the flow of the show going, reduces your editing time if you truncate silence before you start your full playback and edit. If you do a playback and edit, it also helps your listeners out so they're not listening to extra dead air that they don't need to have. All right, so that's how you truncate silence. Stay tuned to freepodcasttools.com for more training.